If I just open Mail app and then open any email and click on the link, you can see the link is opening in the Safari web browser. So the default web browser on this Mac is Safari. But what if you want to try a new web browser and set that as default web browser on Mac? That's something you are going to learn in this video. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro and welcome back to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to change default web browser on Mac. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to change the default web browser on Mac, the first thing you will need is a different web browser other than Safari. So first install any web browser that you want to set as default web browser on Mac, and after that let's start the process. Alright, since I have already installed a few web browsers on this Mac other than Safari, so I'll skip the first step and move on to the next step, which is changing the settings to set any web browser as default web browser on Mac. And for that, let's simply close this and let's open settings. And to access settings, you may access it from the dock if you have added settings to the dock. If not, you may also press Command plus space to activate the Spotlight search, and here you can type in settings and this will provide you options to open system settings. But I'm going to show you another method to open settings, and for that you must simply click on this Apple logo in the top left corner, and after that you may select system settings from here. Simply click on this and this will open system settings. Now in order to change default web browser on Mac, what you need to do is you need to scroll down and from left menu items you need to select desktop and dock, and in desktop and dock settings simply scroll a bit until you see default web browser, and once you see that, you may see here Safari has been set up as default web browser. So simply click on this and from here you get various options. So select the browser that you want to set as default web browser. Now let's select Microsoft Edge, and after that simply close this. So now Microsoft Edge has been set up as the default web browser on this Mac, and to confirm it, let's open any link and see if it is opening in the Microsoft Edge or not. For that, let's open Mail app again and let's click on this link, and as you can see, this is opening in the Microsoft Edge. So the default web browser on this Mac has been changed, and that's how you may change default web browser on Mac. And by the way, if you want to change default search engine in Safari on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.